Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this flower brooch. To make my flower brooch I will be using this satin fabric, which is 150 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide. I'm folding my satin fabric in half like that so the shiny side is outside, and I will sew 5mm stitch all along there. I'm changing my stitch length to 5mm and I'm sewing a straight stitch on the edge of this satin fabric. And this is how it looks. Next I will gather this pattern all along the edge. I'm pulling the thread from one side and I'm gathering this pattern to approximately 30 to 40 centimeters. Like that. And I'm gathering this pattern from other side, from that edge there, so the gathering is even on both sides. And here's my gathered pattern piece. Next I'm cutting excess cotton off and I'm folding this corner like that, and then I'm wrapping, basically twisting that gathering all around itself like that. And I'm sewing those edges together, and I'm repeating the same process till this pattern forms a flower. When I reach the end of this pattern, I'm folding this corner of this pattern at the back and I'm sewing that corner down at the back like that. And here's my flower pattern, finished, looks like that. Next I'll sew on this brooch pin at the back of this felt circle pattern there. My brooch pin is sewed on this felt fabric, looks like that. Next, I'm applying hot glue at the back of this felt fabric there. And I'm gluing this felt fabric at the back of this flower pattern there, pressing it quite hard so it sticks well at the back. And here's my flower brooch nearly finished. Last thing what I need to do is to glue down all around there, basically where the stitching is. So I'm applying hot glue on all those gaps in between the layers there, and I'm gluing those gaps together so the stitching is not showing. It's basically securing the flower brooch neatly like that. And my flower brooch is finished. Now I'll try on my new flower brooch. If you have any questions how I made this flower brooch, please comment down below in the comment box. I will add all materials which I used to make this flower brooch in the description box. Also, there are two other options how to wear this flower brooch. Basically, if you have a ribbon, you can wear this flower brooch as a choker. Just pin this flower brooch on that ribbon and wear it as a choker, looks like that. Or other option is to pin this flower brooch on your scrunchie and wear as a hair scrunchie with the flower on top, like that. Looks very cute. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.